I've invited some of my really good hunting friends to come with me tonight. We're going to go for some beaver hunt. We're in Bergslagen and we're hunting at Malingsbo here in Sweden. It's really close to where I grew up and I really like this area. I can't wait to show them this beautiful nature. Beautiful. It's going to be like a nice sunset and hopefully we're going to see a lot of animals tonight. Sustainability lies in my heart. I always want to be on top of the situation. So as a hunter, it's really important to have sharp knives. I use them all the time. So far, this day has been really good. We had a workshop sharpening knives and axes. And I think it's really nice if you take care of your gears and your tools.
It was an honor to come here. This sharpening was special. I've never used that kind of machines. And of course, now it's great to take one of those home and use there.
The best part was learning I can actually do this at home myself because I am a hunter and I spend a lot of time outdoors and it's quite hard on the knives.
One of the hardest things about beavers is to skin them. And then you really need a sharp knife. So this took me like 1 or 2 hours to take care of. It's not that easy. It's not that easy to hunt them either. So they are quite a challenge.
I really hope at least that I can see a beaver. And if I don't, I hope someone shoots a beaver because I'm very keen on seeing how they take care of it. Because we do hunting not for the trophies, but for food. And we really enjoy taking care of everything afterwards.
Hunting is a lifestyle for me. It is a great way to spend free time and meet friends.
It's all about preserving wildlife, to take care of this fantastic nature, our heritage. And we need to work for next generation to keep this the way it is.